Yes, hello, hello. Good evening, everyone. Yeah. So sorry, guys. A little bit of late. Okay, little bit of late because I am gonna be doing a live with TikTok also. So it's my first time setting this one up. All right. I actually bought a TV today because I don't know how to. I have no idea how to share the live in TikTok rather than just like having it on the on my screen in my computer. It's much better for you guys to see, for those who are in TikTok, yeah, to see it on a big screen. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, good evening everyone. Okay, so let me hit, how do you do this one? Okay. All right. So, good evening. Yes, good evening, everyone. Um, mhm. So we have right now, right here, we have Quickie. Yes, good evening. MJ, welcome, welcome. Alexander, yes, welcome again. Lynch, Nikki Shaw, yes, welcome, guys. All right. So for today, we're gonna be having the continuation of our, live session yesterday night. So, yes, hello, Stephen. Hello. All right. So, mm-hmm. Okay. So, everyone can see my screen. Okay. So, for those who are in TikTok, yes, hello, Alas. Good evening. Welcome. Let me know if the microphone in TikTok is okay or it sounds good. So, hopefully, this live, okay, right now. By the way, guys, for those who are in TikTok, we are also available on YouTube if you want the full screen, but I'll try to share it from here anyway. So um yeah, just an update. We have the Bitcoin. Okay, we always start with Bitcoin, okay, in this live charting every night, because as long as you know what is happening with Bitcoin, you would be able to know what will happen with the with the dot, right? So right now this is the Bitcoin chart, okay, and mhm. Yeah, so for the past couple of days since last week, we have been studying Bitcoin, right? And yesterday night, we were around here. So this was the daily candle yesterday night that haven't got closed yet. And during this time, I mentioned yesterday that it will be bearish and it will go more down all the way till here, okay? All the way till here, unless, or or when this candle, this daily, by the way guys, this is the daily, okay, daily chart right now. So if we close below the green line, remember the green line, so green line is around 30,400. Okay, 30,400. So what did I say? If the daily closes below that, that's gonna be bullish, bearish, right? It's gonna go down. But what happened? We closed above that. Yeah, today we closed above that. So right here, the condition that we want to, see from here now is that when the daily today, okay, today, if this today's chart closes, let me move this one, okay, closes above this green line, can you see this? So for those who are in TikTok, let me write it down, okay, so you'd be able to see that 30,862, or anywhere at this level guys, okay, 30,870, 30,880, okay, if your daily candle closes above that, it's gonna what? It's gonna go up. Okay, that's bullish for Bitcoin. So let me move that right here, middle center. Okay, so you guys can see. Let me, yeah, 30,800. Okay. Uh, yeah. So by the way, guys, this one is Bitcoin. I guess in TikTok, you guys won't be, or you guys doesn't see it properly. But yeah, this one is Bitcoin. Okay, daily chart right now. Anyway, so with that one said, let's go on the 4 hour now. So 4 hour, there was a pretty good bounce, and we have that strong breakout. So yes, this right here. Okay. So we have this one right now. For the past, how many days? 2 days, almost like 3 days, guys. We have been what? We have been consolidating to the downside, and then now we have the breakout. This breakout actually looks good. um Yesterday the condition was looking pretty, bearish due to the rejection of this one candle, second candle, and then our rule or criteria for it to be confirmed as bearish is what? Closing of the daily below 30,400 level. And but we did not close, below that, and rather we got a strong movement to the upside. So momentum wise, still okay. It is like a 50-50 session with momentum wise, because if we see weekly, okay, weekly right here, okay, good, it's a good momentum. We have some strength, to go to the upside from here. Still, we have some room to grow. But I guess, remember, if we do, if we do grow from here, remember these red lines, okay? This one, okay, right here. So let me write it down. 32K or 32,400 level all the way till 32,850 level, guys. All right, so let me make that big so everyone can see. Okay. Anyways, I'll just extend it, but yes, this level right here. If we the weekly will push to the upside now, yes, it will have a room to grow, but then it will extend the strength, that is moving to the upside, and you will face some rejection at 32,400, 32,800. So this is just me. I'm just what was the word for that? Confluencing the possible movement of the confluences and then the price action itself. So let's see if we have some questions. Yes, hello Zia. Good morning. Good evening. Yes, Angelo. Yes, good evening. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so 32,400, 32,800. If you know, if we did pass or break this trading range right now, and yeah. By the way, guys, in TikTok, if you guys have any questions, just comment it down below. Okay, I can see it. Okay, so daily, yeah, so no, we haven't seen the 3 day, 3 day momentum. So let's check it out. So 3 day, that is a good, if we're talking about histogram wise, that is a good um strength to the upside. And yeah, weekly. Okay, so what happens in here is I'm doing like a puzzle, guys. As you can see, I am not doing like one time frame only or one chart time frame only. I'm actually gathering data and all of time frames that I personally use: weekly, 2 weeks, 3 day, daily. Okay, monitoring the Bitcoin. So yeah, so if I'm doing like jumping from one time frame to time frame, that is me gathering lots of data so we can come up with what is the conclusion for today and possible that's gonna be happening with the chart. So I guess, so 3 day, yeah, strength is still there. 2 day, okay, let me see. All right, so not that much trend. So, like I said, if the weekly will push to the upside, the 2 weeks from here is gonna like look like it's gonna be, it might go up like 32,000 earlier, right here, 32,800. But then on the strength side, on the yeah, on the strength of momentum, it's gonna look weak. That is why I am saying there will be some resistances around that area. Okay, so Pierre from TikTok, someone is asking, is Bitcoin forming a double top? Okay, just a moment. What time frame are you talking about, Pierre? Just let me know, because I am not seeing a double top right now in the 2 day chart. This one, by the way, is a 2 day chart. Okay, 4 hour, we'll check that later. Sige. So, daily, right here, okay, um, strength wise, yes, it's building up, but not too strong. So, again, it might go up, but not as strong as, like that, like it's gonna do like this. So, if even though it goes like 30 to 800, it will look somewhere like this, which will cause to be weak. Yeah, so but what we want to see for the day's end, by the way, the day's end is gonna be 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Let's see if Bitcoin will close above 30,862. All right, so let's check the chart that Pierre is asking for the 4 hour. So 4 hour, miss, is it forming the double top? I don't see no double top in here. So this one has been ranging for far too long. And no, this is not a double top. Okay, this is more of a ranging market, which is, no, just a moment. Let me remove this one so it will be clear. Yeah, it's a ranging market, not a double top. Okay, no clear double top in here. I am currently in the 4 hour chart now. Okay, so 4 hour, let's see. 4 hour, not much to, take note from here. Strength, yeah, strength is not that, it might push, but the push to the upside, I feel like it's gonna be like somewhat like a fake type of movement, or not like a fake type of movement, but you remember what happened with the BNB, wherein in 1 minute it went all the way till what was that? 257 in 1 minute, and then it drops. So it might move, okay, like this, but Again, this is gonna be some resistance. Okay, so that's for Bitcoin. And then now let's go on Ethereum. So Ethereum, we were looking at Ethereum yesterday. And yeah, funny thing, okay, let me move this so we can see the time. Let me see. How did I plot the two green lines? Is this in Lynch? Is this in the Bitcoin line? So that one, just watched the live, session yesterday. I broke it down. Why did I plot it? Okay, so continuation pattern. Yeah, it's more of a continuation pattern. That's correct. But in arranging motion currently. We cannot say like, oh, it's gonna go up now or it's gonna go down. Not yet. Okay. So anyway, so where were we? Yeah, so this was the Ethereum trade. Yeah, and we had this line on the daily. So this one has been one, two, three, four, five, for support now. So yesterday, what did we talk? We were confluencing the movement of Ethereum with the Bitcoin, right? And what was our condition? If the Bitcoin daily closes right here, let me go back on the daily. If it closes below this right here, 30,400 for anyone in TikTok. This one is 30,400 level. Okay, let me just write it down so you guys can see in the screen. So by the way, guys, in TikTok, if you want to watch the full, there's a full view of this chart, and it is in my YouTube right now. It's in my YouTube. I'm doing live in YouTube also. So, if you don't want to see this half, yeah. Anyway, so yeah, that was our condition. If it closes, if the Bitcoin, but it did not. So what happened? We got a support right at the Ethereum. So yeah, so from there we got a support, even the daily right now, right here. It did not close with the Ethereum, did not close. So with that one said, we are bouncing, okay? We are bouncing. So but yeah, for those who are new in here, by the way, from TikTok, you guys, welcome, welcome. If you want to see more of this, a live full view of it, it is in my YouTube. Okay, in my YouTube. So, weekly. Let's check the weekly. Yeah. So this one is what it is forming an ascending triangle pattern. Okay, ascending triangle pattern. So but right here, this green zone, can you see? That is a resistance. So let me change that one as a red. So these levels, okay, I'll just pick it. It's 19,000. No, 1950. Okay, so 1950, 1950 for Ethereum. That is the first level rejection all the way till 2080. Okay, 2080 for Ethereum. All right, so let's see that one. By the way, guys, if you'll see Ethereum in another, in another point of view, you can say that it might move in a pattern of not this one, but I just check it with the parallel. It can move in a way like this. Yan. So even though we have a push to the upside, funny thing. Now, can you see this, guys? This is so funny because it will correlate on this green zone that we plotted last live that we did, which is a strong resistance for Ethereum. Remember, for those who were in the live last time, this one I plotted it. It is from the monthly. Mind you, this is a monthly resistance. This green line right here, and if Bitcoin goes up, I mean Ethereum goes up, okay, that is gonna what? That is gonna confluence this. Ito. One, two. 3. That is gonna be a strong resistance in here, okay? So let me put the number na lang. Again, I do not do exact number, guys, ha. I do by zone. So 260, actually it's 267, but yeah, around 260 level. Oops. So I'm just giving you some rejection zones with Ethereum if it pushes to the upside with Bitcoin, closing bullishly from here. Okay. All right. So let me check if you have any other question. XRP Alexander in YouTube. We have XRP. We'll check about it later. Okay. Let's have that on the last session. Anyway, so yeah. By the way, guys. Okay, just a moment. So for today, you know that I only post the high quality signal. And yeah, for those who are in TikTok, this one is in my Discord. I also have Discord, guys. You can check it in my bio. Yeah, so this one is one of the trade that I posted today, okay, earlier morning. And yeah, we hit the TP1. So yesterday I broke this one down in the live chart also, the dot, for those who have been with me. So let's open it up. Let's open the daily. Let's check it. All right. So what did I say, guys? Around this zone, you remember this zone? I plotted a alert around here, and if the daily closes below this zone, yung red na zone, what did I say? It's gonna go more down, right? But then I saw that the Bitcoin closed, it closed above the level that we were watching. So I was like, this is possibly a pullback only. So that gave me, the signal to, what do you call this? Plot a position. So let me open the 1 hour chart. I'll just break this trade, to you guys very quickly. So this one, I gave it out around 9 a.m. right here. 9 a.m. right here. Yes. So from this, couple of hours later, we push all the way to the upside. So our first take profit already got hit. So what was that? 288, right? 5.288. So every time the TP1 gets hit, I recommend everyone to always move your stop loss at entry. Yeah. So let me 288. Okay, so right around here. Now the second take profit was around the zone. It was, let me check again in Discord. Okay. So in Discord, we have 5370. Okay, that was the TP2. So again, guys, the dot TP1 already got hit. So this is just like, oops, sorry. Yeah, so this is just like some of, my premium members got in. So it's good, yeah. So we got a sniper entry. Yeah, sniper entry. It was actually a sniper entry if if you'll see that. So one of my premium already, have a good dinner, really good. Yeah, so yeah, good thing she was awake when I posted it. Yes. So going back on that, the take profit two was around 5.3, right? 5.37 something. So we almost got, the touch of that. And at the same time, now we are doing some rejection. So since our entry is right around here, um, yeah, have your stop loss below here. And we can set some new entries if we get some bounce. That's the thing. Okay. For those who are in YouTube, we can get some entry. Okay. if we get the bounce again. But yes, so hopefully you guys, did your take profit zone from there. Yeah, so Anne from TikTok was asking how to join Discord. Just check my bio right now in my profile. The link is there, okay? So Discord link is there. Uh-huh. Okay, links as similar with link. Remember guys, dot and link is playing the same play. Remember? And yeah, link also bounce at the level of dot as well. And yeah, right now we're having that movement to the downside. So BNB. Yeah, nothing much to see with BNB now, to be honest. It's just full on ranging right here. Yeah. Anyway, so yes, BNB is literally in the middle right now, guys. Literally in the middle. And wow, look at that. Bitcoin have a strong rejection again, guys. If this one is gonna close below the 30,800, okay? We're currently in Thursday now, right? So I'm betting. Okay, I don't want to use the word bet, but a Friday, Saturday, Sunday is gonna be a slow market. But after that, there's gonna be the movement, the real movement after that. Take note. So, Bitcoin is dropping. Earlier, when we started this live, it was looking right around here, 31,100. Now, it's trading below the 30,862. Yeah, so much of ranging. But anyways, we have for the daily, we have, you know, how many hours left? 12 hours left before the Bitcoin chart closes. Okay, now I have a chart request in YouTube, guys. Okay, XRP. Yes, an XRP. Let's check XRP. So I'm not quite sure what who asked again? Alexander, yes. So I'm not quite sure what are you looking with XRP? Are you doing day trading, scalping, or swing trading? So I'd be able to see where you at. But yes, currently, if you can see, this is my plotting with XRP. Now, let's start obviously at the daily. I always start at the daily so everyone would be able to understand the levels that I am talking about, not just like randomly saying, oh, this is this is that. Yeah, so XRP has a strong possible support that we can expect right around this zone. So let me write this one. Let me just remove the arrow, okay? Uh-huh. So Rasta Man in TikTok, can you do live trading? I'm already doing a live trading. This is a live trading charting. So there are times that will be able to catch a real chart, a real trade right now, like last time we did. Yeah. So if we did, I will mention that. Okay. So okay, where's this one? Let me just like write it down in here. So this level, again, I do not do by uh one digit only. So 0.4099. Okay, 0. Sorry, 414 till 428 or 429. 40 and then 0.4. What is this? Yeah, let's put it this way, okay? If around this zone, I want you to expect possible, if the XRP goes down, this is going to be a strong support right here. And then another resistance that I want you to watch with XRP is around here, okay? Yeah, so anyway, so if I'll extend that, we have that in one, two. three, four. Okay, four time. And by the way, guys, if you'll see at the bottom, this rejection started from when? September 22 last year. Can you imagine? It's almost like a year now. So, this is not going to be an easy resistance to break, I'm saying. So, yeah, so that's the day level that we have right now, okay? Now, on the 4-hour chart, okay, I can see some resistances right here. By the way, we're still in the daily chart, okay? Don't panic. I can just like simply see it from here. 4-hour chart, one, two. We also have around here. Okay, so let me change the color of this one and let's do a refined type of zone on the 4-hour. But yes, this is gonna be a strong one, okay? Support 0.44. So if you're looking for a possible entry, for a long, ideally your setup is gonna be looking like something like this. So this setup is gonna be a swing trading, huh? Alexander is gonna be a swing trading. All right. Currently, if you are planning to enter a trade with XRP around here, I do not recommend you to do so because you are in the middle. Okay, you're in the middle. So let's open the 4-hour chart now. Okay, so 4-hour chart, let's just refine our zone. Okay, so for those who are wondering in TikTok, this one is 4420 till 455. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 4 420 to 4, yeah, 450. Yeah, right around here. And then this rejection, you can plot it in your own chart also, guys. Okay, so you would be able to see that. So this one is a 4-hour chart right now. Rejection 0.4945. So let me see if Alex replied. No, no. Okay, so I'm not quite sure what is it trading with. So I'll just do a general, analysis with this, more of that will suit day trading and swing trading. So 1 hour is pretty ranging, guys. Okay, pretty ranging. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're literally in the middle right now with a 1 hour session. Ideally, your entry should be around here, anywhere near the support or anywhere near the resistance. And lots of spikes, let me tell you, lots of spikes. Ito, one, two, and this spikes goes 6, 8%. Okay, another one, 7%. So another spike to the upside 4%, another spike to the downside 4%. So if you'll ask me, you know how will I be trading XRP, it will be ideal with scalping. Okay, scalping, so you can go on the low of 15 minute. So yeah, by the way, guys, if you are still what's the word for that, confused what time frames you want to use when you chart, I want you to check my YouTube. I did a free trading lesson in there for time frames, so you'll be able to understand how to, what time frames you should be using. So, okay, let's some breakout right around here. Yeah, typically this is not my setup. Yeah. Okay, so Rasta man in TikTok, nagtatagalog ka pa? Opo, marunong po akong magtagalog. I'm just doing it in English because I have foreign students, I have international students in Discord and in YouTube who are watching me right now. So possibly in TikTok, mostly Filipinos. But yeah, we Filipinos, we understand English naman, di ba? And if you have some questions, do not hesitate, okay? You can speak it in Tagalog. Okay, I don't mind that. I'll answer you in Tagalog, okay? So CJ in TikTok, what is your YouTube channel? My YouTube channel is Mayari Capital, right here. Let me. Okay, so right here, guys. Okay, just Mayari Capital. Um, yeah, just check it out. Okay, in YouTube, or I have the link naman sa my. The link is in my bio. Okay. Oh, that was a good question, Zia. Just a moment. I'll let me put you up. So, what are the indications of spikes? One thing with the indication of spikes is low liquidity. In terms that it is it can what's the word for that? Uh I forgot the word for that. There's a big amount, a big amount can easily spike a coin, especially if it has a low liquidity. So this spikes and then a big huge order right around here, and then a slow spike up, and then a big, sell order coming up. Then since this one is a support uh, at around this area, what happens? We have some orders right here. Okay, so CJ was asking if forex po ba yan, ma'am. I I do not trade forex anymore for a very long time. This is crypto. Okay, this is crypto, and this is an XRP chart. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let me check. Yeah, now I open the 4 hour. It's much more, no, it's much more uh clear, diba? So yeah, let's see the strength. I want to see the strength. Let me just like check it out, guys. Okay. Daily rejection, 2 day, 3 day, weekly. Okay. 8 hour, 4 hour. It's just starting out, guys. So it might develop all the way to the downside. 1 hour. All right. So yeah, more to the downside, but there will be something like this. It will be like that. That's what I'm seeing. Yeah, so 1 hour, but provided that the 4 hours just like starting out, it's gonna look the same, and then possible bounce from there. Yeah, so 30 minutes. Yeah, that is sliding down. Let me check XRP. It is sliding down. I'm not even looking the chart, guys. So strength is sliding down to the downside of 5 minutes. Let me see. Yeah, 1 minute. So at this point, guys, when we do what do you call this? When we do this type of movement sa market, I do not watch the lower time frame anymore. Yeah, I do not watch the lower time frame anymore. Usually at this point, I already have a trade going on, and I will be um, managing it on the higher time frame na. That's why I'm showing the higher time frame for you guys. All right, so yeah, so BNB MJ BNB already already discussed about it. Yeah, you can just like go back in the live later. Okay. Yeah. So I'm actually happy because lots of people are in here today. So can we enter again to dot? Yes, but there will be some criteria before we enter again. Okay, like I said, we will be able to enter unless and until there is a confirmed bounce. Okay, confirmed bounce. Okay, so I'm struggling on MKR, ma'am. in day trading, daily trading. Okay, so I expect that's intraday. Uh, what's the word for that? Okay. Any advice on that altcoin? Okay, I'll check it out quickly. Okay, quickly. So, okay, I don't want to answer that. Yeah. So I saw the amount up in that. Oh, it's fine, MJ. It's fine. Okay, so yeah, let's check MKR before we, you know, head out because I still haven't had my dinner, guys. I still have to have dinner. Okay, so USDT. Uh, I will assume that you're gonna be or you are doing ano ha, you're doing futures. So I will be doing by futures. Okay. So Rastaman, Bob USDT. What's with Bob USDT? Let me know. What do you want to know about it? All right, so MKR. Let's see how it moves on the daily. 9% change. This is a really good volatility. When we talk about mm, scalping, day trading, it is a good volatility. You just need to learn um, to set some, strategies like support and resistance with this one. And with this type of coin, I do not recommend on like holding it. Yeah, it's good that you're just doing daily trading. So meaning just scalp it or intraday it because still it is in a low volume type of setup if we'll, let me check. Yeah, 8% on a day. So it's a good, yeah, can you see those wicks, guys? Okay, these wicks are not a joke, huh? It goes like 22%. Let me make this one huge so everyone can see, even in TikTok. That's a 22% move. Okay, let me tell you. And at the same time, it will also drop big, 18%. So I'm not wondering, I guess, why you're having trouble with MKR. So when you approach it, can you see this? When you approach it, do not approach it in a long term type of trade, but a scalping type of trade, huh? Can you see these wicks? It can go like 9%, 10%. Now we're up like 4, 5%. Yeah, this is the 4 hour. So 1 hour, opening it up. One thing also that I guess you are feeling like, MKR is having or giving you a hard time because it is in a ranging manipulation mode, especially that. So ideally, you know, it would be nice to trade it in a momentum like this one. Like there's a clear momentum. Can you see? So for those who are, wondering what is a momentum trading, I have a free trading lesson. It is in YouTube. Just find it down. It's literally in there. Free trading momentum topic. Okay, let's look for it. Yeah. So ideally, this is what we want to see with MKR or any scalping type of coin. And when in a point like this, so this is a cycle that is about to end. Okay, for my private students, my crash course students, I talk about this with you guys, wave cycles and everything. So right now what is happening is a clear correction. And when you have this type of setup, again, this is a ranging movement, arranging. So, this one is an ending sky cycle right now. So ideally, we can expect some correction to the downside. So with that correction to the downside, yes, we can short it at this point, but do not expect this guy to go like that. Okay, so yes, it will go down for some correction, but it will be quick. So one advice that that I always do personally, what I do with my Fibonacci, anywhere around 0.382, I always take my profit. I always take my profit. Yeah, I don't care what happens after that. Can you see? We got the push to the downside. And that right there, can you see, guys? Okay, 0.32 bounce. I don't care what happens after that. I am scalping this market only. Always put that in your mind. Okay, that's for MKR. And yeah, see, we do not want that. This is not an ideal trade for those, especially for those who are just a beginner. So my advice, guys, okay, if you're just like a beginner, you're just like starting out, stick with the major coins. So what are those major coins? Bitcoin, one. Ethereum, okay, another one. So some of the coins that I personally use, so I can use it in the premium signals also. That is why I am charting it live. Also is dot link. Okay, this four coins alone, guys. Okay, this four coins alone is more than enough for you to trade for the day. You do not need hundreds of coins, huh? You do not. So if you're a beginner, stick with this. You will be able to develop your own strategy. Okay, everything, all that. Then you can apply it on high volatile type of coins like MKR. All right, so yeah. All right, so I guess that's it for tonight, guys. Tomorrow again, okay? I'll be around here. I'll see you around. Yeah. And just give me a moment. Where's this one? Yes. So for those who are in TikTok, again, this is my YouTube right there. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me in Instagram. My Instagram is the same, Mayari Capital. Okay, Mayari Capital. That's it. Nothing else, nothing more than that. It's always Mayari Capital. So, just beware of scammers. All right. So, uh-huh. Natatahan in TikTok, how to join Premium Signals group. Just message me in Instagram na lang. Okay, Mayari Capital, whatever question you have. Candila, yeah, I have a Discord. Okay, it'll also have a free version. So, just message me in Instagram. All right, so I have to go, guys. I'll see you around. Have a good night, good evening. Yeah, bye bye.